Hi guys, welcome back. It's Annie again. Alright, so today we have a mystery box from Unclaimed Baggage. They are located in Scottsboro, I think, Alabama. Yep, Scottsboro, Alabama. Their website is unclaimedbaggage.com. And in case any of you don't know, they sell lost luggage, etc. from airports. Actually, they're the only one in the nation to do so. And they also sell lost baggage from cargo. So if you've seen some unboxings before, you might have seen like some repetitive kind of liquidation type stuff. Well, that's what they get from like their lost cargo. So anyway, now I have ordered from this company before. It has been a while. Honestly, I thought they had quit doing it because I had been on their site looking for boxes and I didn't see any. So I thought they had quit doing it, but lately I've been seeing some videos pop up. So I went to the website and they actually have more boxes to choose from now. But I ordered the Apparel mystery box, and this is 20 pieces, and I'm going to read to you what it's supposed to contain. The Apparel mystery box may contain a mix of sizes and genders. Every Apparel mystery box is different. Item condition may vary, and mystery boxes are sold as is and are non-refundable. And once again, I ordered the 20 piece, and it was $89.99 with free shipping. So that's going to come out to what, like $4.45 or something per item. So, and I want to tell you a little bit some of the other mystery boxes they have in case you're interested. Also, right after I ordered this box, they immediately sent me a 20% off coupon, so I'm going to be using that. And I think if it's your first time ordering from them, when you sign up, if they're still doing it, you get a 10% off code. Of course, I've ordered from them before, so I didn't get that. But I'm excited to use the 20% off. But yeah, now they have legging boxes, activewear boxes, hat boxes. They've always had the scarf box. But yeah, anyway, enough talking. Let's get into this. And this has been here for a couple of days, and I'm so excited to get into it. And also, let's see. Did I say it was free shipping? I think I did. On this box was free shipping. Not all their boxes are free shipping. I can't get this open. Let's see. And this did get here pretty quickly. I think within 4 days, 3 or 4 days, which I'm in North Carolina, they're in Alabama, so didn't have too far to travel. I've never been to their store. I would love to do that. It looks like it'll be a fun store to shop in. Okay, I might put this over here. Oh, let me give y'all a first look. Let's see. There we go. First look. Looks like you're getting some sweaters. This is pretty, whatever this is. Okay, let's see. Looks like some kind of, I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out. Okay. Honestly, guys, I don't, it looks like some kind of hoodie scarf. I have no clue. If you know, please tell me. I can't figure out how. I guess this goes over your head and then this comes down your arms, maybe. Yeah, just like a shawl, scarf type of thing. I don't know, but let's see if it has a name on it. I do not see a name. Okay. I'm going to have to do some more research on this. And honestly, guys, this one has me stumped. Okay. So next we have, okay, looks like we have another scarf. This looks like a really nice scarf. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. And the tag has been cut off, so I cannot tell you what the name is, but this feels so good. And it does say you get mixed items. So I know this is not a scarf box, and I got a scarf because they do sell a scarf box, but it says mixed items. So, okay. And another scarf. All right. I do not see a name on this one. Okay, so not off to a very good start, guys. If this is going to be all scarves, I don't know. Okay, let's hope it redeems itself. Next. Okay. I think they sent me a scarf box instead of the clothing box. I really do. So, we're not off to a good start here. Okay, let's see. This is... I don't know what this is. ALHATAM. Oh. This is pretty though, really pretty. Really pretty. Okay. Yep, guys, they sent me a scarf box. And I ordered the 20 clothing box, the 20-piece clothing box. So that's not good. That's not good. But I will definitely contact them and see if they make things right. Because, let's see, see what the scarf box is. The Apparel box, $89.99. Women's scarf box, $11.99. So I paid $89.99, and I do have my receipt. I paid $89.99, and this scarf box is only $11.99. Huh. Okay, not good, Unclaimed Baggage, but I will contact them. But I'll go ahead and unbox these and see what we got. Hard Rock Cafe. That's the fun of doing these live mystery box unboxes. That one definitely got me. Hard Rock Cafe. I was wondering, because I'm like scarf after scarf, and I know maybe you can get a scarf or two, but it shouldn't have been all scarves. Let's see what this is. I do not see a name on this one. Oh, yeah, I do. Well, it's kind of Little Tree. That's a Little Tree. And I don't know a lot about scarves, guys. I really don't. Not a scarf person. Okay. White and Worn. Made in China. But I will definitely contact them as soon as I finish this video. And I will let you guys know the outcome. Okay. You do get a bunch of scarves for $11.99. This box is full. Okay. Evolve Silky First Line USA. 100% poly silk. That's different. Okay. Oh, this feels like silk too. $100% silk. Made in China. Let's see what this says in the middle. Can't figure that out. I can't figure that out, guys. Is it CR? Oh, well, who knows? That could be something I don't even know it. Oh, this is beautiful. This is more than just a scarf. You can use this as like sarong or, wow, that is beautiful. Now, if I was ordering a scarf box, I think I would have been happy with this. There's some really nice scarves in here. This thing is huge, guys, huge. And the writing may be on here on the scarf somewhere. If it is, oh, no. That is just, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Next. Okay. I am really getting confused here, guys. Okay. Maybe it's not a scarf box. I don't know. I'm really confused because I got a pair of jeans. Silver Suki Super Skinny Mid-Rise. Suki. MSRP $88. Those are really nice. So maybe this is the apparel box and they just stuffed it with a lot of scarves. All right. Okay, we have aqua curve. That's cute. This box has really confused me. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is new with tags. 100% Bloomingdale's exclusive aqua curve. It does not have a price tag on it. Oh, yes it does. Yes it does. $58. Aqua curve. Okay, it's like we have a dress. New with, oh, it's a dress or a jumpsuit? Oh, it's a jumpsuit. It is a jumpsuit and it's by Farfetch. Liquid Sport. Size 2. There is no price tag. But I do know that brand and I think it sells really well. I don't know what the comps is on this jumpsuit and it's a small size, but that's nice, new with tags. Guess what? Another scarf. And let's see who this is by. No name, black scarf. Oh, we have some kids' clothes. That's cute. Little Santa Claus. Looks like pajamas. Oh yeah, definitely pajamas. And that is little me. That is adorable. 2-piece pink, 24 months. And I will give that to my niece who is expecting, and she is having a girl. Okay, we have some jeans, pants. Hillary Radley, extra small. And these look like dress pants. No price on there. Okay, we have a sweater, club room, and this looks like a men's medium. Oh, it is merino wool. Okay. That's, merino wool is expensive. Let's see if it has a price. No, the price tag has been taken off. Merino wool blend. Okay. You see that? That's good. Okay. Not liking all these scarves. This was more of a scarf box than... And I'm going to have to look up some of these scarves because some of them may be worth something. This name I recognize. Jessica McClintock. I don't know how to say her last name. Jessica McClintock. So, I mean, some of these scarves may be worth some money, but I'm just... And I will list them. I'm just not really into scarves as far as selling. But you would think with a clothing box and apparel mystery box, there would be more clothing than scarves. I mean, because they do sell a scarf box. So it's just, it seems like they kind of stuffed it. I don't know. But no, I'm not happy with this box. I think I can tell that. Okay, this is Twin Heel. And these are big. So they are a size 50. Made in Bangladesh. 100% cotton. Never heard of this name, but they look like a men's cargo work pant. And that is it, guys. And for a minute there, I thought they sent me the wrong box. But now that we got, what? How many pieces of clothes did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of clothes. And good God, I don't know how many scarves. It's definitely more. Look, all these scarves. All these scarves. So, no, I'm not happy with this. I mean, it could end up being worth something. I have to go through all these scarves, but if I wanted a scarf box, I would have ordered a scarf box. This is, no. I mean, no. Not happy with that. But I will use my 20% off coupon and order another box and see, because I've seen some videos that are not affiliated with them. They paid for the box, and they got Flip or Flop, I think is her name. She got a really decent box. She ordered 2 of the 20 piece just like I did, but she ordered 2, and I thought she got a really good box. So I'm a little upset with this one, but we will see. Like I said, I could be pleasantly surprised by some of these scarves, but I'm gonna have to do my research. But that's it, guys. So coming up, I have a thread up shoe box, which I'm actually filming right after this one. So until next time, guys, bye.